This hair is all shade of beauty and elegance. Love it. Hello lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. It's Momandprettyimisi here again, and in today's video we are doing something quick, yes, and I promise you it's gonna be the quickest hair install ever. So come along with me, let's get started. I have this hair from Likable Wig and it's the quickest hair install ever. So let's go ahead and see what is inside. Oh, look at this. This is one of my favorite goodies in hair packages, so I love this one. For all our eyelash lovers, this is for you. And then it comes with a manual, like an instruction on how to take care of your hair right here. So this is actually virgin hair, 100% woman hair. Shows you how to dry it, how to wash, how to coil, and how to blow dry. So pretty simple. Always follow the instructions, you know, the instruction manual. It makes life easier. So this is it. HD invisible wig cap, which is like a bonus. I think this hair is just like a pop on wear and go wig. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, Lovelies, are you seeing what I'm saying? Are you seeing it? Are you ready to see this hair in its entirety? Let's see. I love it already. So this is 3-in-1 Pixie Coils Half Wig. The hair is awesome. You can see it has pins to secure it down, plus an invisible hairline, and the hair is so bouncy and coily. I love that it also has drawstring, which makes it super easy to adjust. So let me show you the easiest way to style this hair. Honestly, there are different ways to style it, but I feel like right now I am lazy. very lazy, and I don't want to do much with my hair. So if you're like me and you're feeling lazy and you don't want to do much with your hair, this wig has you covered. So I've actually had my braids for 1 to 2 weeks now, and I didn't want to loosen it and remake it. So what I did was to wash it just like that, light, shine, and jam, combed it, and then that's it. I just pop on the wig and I am good to go. Alright lovelies, just put on the hairband and you are good to go. Look at it. Who would even know I didn't do my hair underneath? No one. I mean, fake it until you make it, right? The curls are so full and bouncy, and the length is around 22 inches, and which makes it super cute. I really love the length, and this is so cute. No stress, no hassle. And if you're looking at giving it a bit of glam, here is what I'm gonna do next. So I'm gonna tuck in the invisible line with a crochet pin so it can blend perfectly. All right, lovelies, we have it all done. I'm just gonna be spraying leave-in conditioner mixed with water in a spray bottle on the hair, so just to give it a bit of moisture. All right, one last thing to do is to give it finishing. Just applying my shine and jam with the red jar to kind of like slick the front edges down. You will notice it's quite different from the one I used earlier on. So this one is much better if you're looking at slicking the edges of your head. Alright, lovelies, what do you see about today's install? I think it is all shades of beauty and elegance. Honestly, this is so cute and it's worth, you know, having. Honestly, it is soft, it is awesome. Look at how gorgeous I look so beautiful. All right, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and grab the link on the video description and get one for yourself. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I remain my humble self, Momandprettyimisi. If today's video was really helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share my videos with your friends, families, and your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Until I see you again next time, remember us.